Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. It has been a week since I got back in the UK and it's been a bit of an adjustment. I felt a bit lost, if I'm honest. With Jensen not around, been hard to get accustomed to. Being a recovered addict, I get constant reminders of just my brain telling me, get high. I can't deal with it. When you're an addict, you mask things that you can't deal with, just with chemicals or drink or whatever. Gambling could be whatever. And when you're in recovery, you think you're doing well until, bad things pop up, or just the smallest thing can be multiplied, and immediately you're considering going back to old ways. You don't know how to deal with just day-to-day stuff. In the last week, I've had 2 arguments with 2 different people, complete strangers to me. I told a friend of 20 years that I no longer want them in my life. And I've had counselling suggested to me by 4 complete strangers. Something that I genuinely might look into. I've always thought about it, just put it off, just thinking that, I don't know, it's just a weakness. Kind of getting someone else to tell you how to live your life. But the fact of the matter is, I've tried doing it my way. I've tried doing it without help, and I am not getting the results that I need. It's something that I'm seriously going to consider. But until then, on with the next fishing fix. Right, let's have a look at the setup then, eh? It's midweek, so it's pretty quiet. This place is rammed at the weekends. My rod's out, right hand rod. I'm going to be targeting all around here, a lot on the end of the island there. Left hand rod over here, and in the afternoon and in the morning time, literally just on this margin here, which is where I am at the minute. Hoping to pull some cats out on the left hand rod and targeting carp on the right. I won't be kipping in here because I'll kip in the van, boy. And no need to kip in here. I'll bring the rods in probably 9 or 10 o'clock at night. 9 or 10 o'clock at night, and I'll just go and get my head down in the van. Gosh. It's been proper relaxing this afternoon. Just been chilling. The wind, the wind's been quite high, but it's been coming from behind me, going this way, and the sun's just warmed the bivvy up. So even though it's been actually cold-ish outside the bivvy, inside here it's lovely. God, I look fat. Mind you, eating Thai red chicken curry, chicken balls and chips 4 out of the last 7 nights, and on the other 3 nights eating chicken vindaloo and chips. Probably going to do something in it. It's probably a contributing factor to not feeling too great either as well, isn't it? Bad food, bad mood. I'll show you my little stalker. She just keeps staring at me, mate. Well, maybe she's waiting for me to fall asleep so she can eat me. Feisty little cat. I can't believe how small he is for the scrap he just put up. He is tiny, mate. He's still giving me loads of grief now. Tiny little thing. Pretty little thing. Literally just put that other rod out after that cat, and yeah, 5 minutes later, the rod went screaming off. Oh yeah. Oh, that is. Oh. Another little cat, but better behaved. Wicked, mate. Chops on that. Get you back, buddy. I slept lovely last night. Lovely and calm this morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I got over here about 6. Got my rods out. Ready for another day of fishing. Yeah, 11:10. It's got really nice and warm. Sitting here in shorts and t-shirt. I've not had anything this morning. Midday. I like to just bring my rods in, rest a swim, and a bit of lunch. These ducks, mate, they wait. They literally wait until you're not looking. Yesterday, the female duck, she's a lot more braver than the male. When I was over at my cradle, she was straight in my bivvy. Little bugger. Have a couple of hours off the lake, sitting in the van. I've been chatting with matey boy next door to me. He's sound. The bivvy's all zipped up, rods are out of the water. I'm going to sit in here and watch a bit of Netflix and have a light lunch. Have a look at this. Yeah. Back, boy. It looks a bit bigger than the last one. Chops on him. Hey. Thank you very much. That was like 45 minutes to an hour of just madness. As soon as I come back from lunch, yeah, same rod, 3 times, 3 cats. Sound, mate. It's now coming up to 6 o'clock. I'll do a rebait. I'm pretty confident I'll get at least one more cat before the end of the night. It'd be nice to get a carp, but I ain't complaining, mate. I love a cat. They fight like stink. Yeah, off early in the morning tomorrow. They give it rain tomorrow at about 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm probably not going to fish tomorrow morning. I'm just going to get up and shoot off, get myself down the sauna, I reckon. That's a bit more like it. Fucking buzz it for that, boy. Just having a one-man party, my van. Before I go to bed, I'm absolutely over the moon to catch that fish. Buzzing, mate. It's not a UK PB. My UK catfish PB is like £36, but after getting how many catfish? 5, 6. They were all under £20, so to get one nearer 30 than it was 20. Buzzing, and it fought like stink as well. It was on there for a while. I don't know how I'm going to sleep. Morning, everyone. Well, I think I made the right decision by packing up and leaving early. It's now 7:25. I got up and packed away at about 6ish. Been driving 10-15 minutes and it's chucking it down. So yeah, it was the right decision. I'm well happy with how it ended. Catching that 28 right at the end, that was awesome. I'll be buzzing about that for a little while. I ended up staying up last night a little bit because I just couldn't get to sleep. Yeah, sound. On the next one then.